unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video I am going to create the trending spring and summer eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. The colors that I am going to use in this video are going to be neutrals and purple. Grab a palette that has nude shades and another palette that has purple shade in it. Here I have already filled in the eyebrow. I filled this eyebrow with black eyeshadow, but you can use any other eyebrow product that you like to fill in your eyebrow. There are no foundations. And yes, if you don't like purple shade, you can use any other color that is really vibrant or the color you like. For this trending spring and summer eye makeup look, we'll just apply the vibrant color onto our lower lash line, not on the upper lid. For the lid, we'll use only neutral shades. That's why I asked you to grab a palette that has neutral shades in it. Here I am just applying a transition shade onto the crease and outer V section. You can call this a soft smoky eye with some vibrant color onto our lower lash lines. And you are done. Seriously, this trending spring and summer eye makeup look is really very easy and very less time consuming. Like my videos, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it and share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.